This is very important to understand. And even beyond that, there is another development that is totally technological development, which is, we say, cyber warfare. And cyber warfare that has increased the reliance on technology. And cyberspace poses new risks, new challenges for naval operations, necessitating the adaptation of existing legal framework. This is very important. We have to focus on that there is a distinction, difference between cyber and hybrid. Hybrid carries both conventional as well as technological. But cyber carries only technological development, and that is more dangerous than the hybrid, and hybrid is much more dangerous than the conventional. Now, there is maritime security. These maritime security issues are also addressed by San Remo Manual. Issues such as piracy, terrorism, and illegal fishing in the open waters, open oceans, and open seas, you find always these issues. Merchant ships are usually affected or attacked by the pirates, and terrorist attacks can be conducted anywhere on the warships as well as the merchant ships or fishing vessels. So terrorism is much more dangerous than the piracy. However, these all are non-state actors. And there is another non-state actor which is called illegal fishing. You see, illegal fishing is very important, that if you have a right to catch the fish from your own ocean shelf, but you travel beyond that and you reach into the waters of another state, then you cross those legal limits, and that continental shelf ultimately is affected. Therefore, illegal fishing vessels are also non-state actors at the time when they travel beyond their own continental shelf and beyond their own exclusive economic zones. So there is another development which has affected the naval life, naval warfare, and the techniques of naval warfare. That is called the climate change. Our climate changes have impacted on sea levels and marine resources, posing long-term challenges for naval operations and the protection of maritime environment. This is very, very, very important for now, for future to see by all warfare actors, warfare practitioners, and legal practitioners on maritime laws. So climate has affected and impacted very much. Concluding our today's lecture, ladies and gentlemen, on the law of war at sea, the San Remo Manual is an energetic aspect of international law. It pursues to balance military objective with humanitarian considerations and environmental protection in the complex scenario of modern maritime conflicts. As new challenges emerge, ongoing dialogue among states, legal experts, reinforcing the principles that govern naval warfare. Now, in conclusion of this lecture, I would throw these 3 questions to you to answer. Question number 1. We have addressed these questions in our discussion of today's lecture. And now you have to write in your own words, how can the San Remo manual be effectively implemented in contemporary naval operations? Number 2, what are the implications of hybrid warfare for principles established in maritime law? And question number 3 is, how should international law evolve to address the challenges posed by cyber warfare in maritime context? I repeat, question number 3. How should international law evolve to address the challenges posed by the cyber warfare in maritime context? Thank you very much, gentlemen. May you have very fantastic and fundamental time. Thank you.